This is how you create a light sweep inside After Effects. Gonna go up to my text tool at the top, type out my text, center it. Then in the effects and presets, I'm gonna search light sweep, apply it to the text. To make it more visible, I'm gonna increase the sweep intensity, and then we start to see the white line like a glossy shimmer. And then I can also increase the width as well, depending on how strong we want it. I like the default direction, but you can also change the direction so it goes in a different way. And then all I'm going to do is move the center off the epic. And then on frame 1, I'm going to keyframe the center and then go to about 2 seconds into the timeline. And then just move that center across off the text. Press U on our keyboard, we get the keyframes, and then we can see the sweeping animation. It looks a bit robotic, so I'm going to highlight the keyframes, right click, go keyframe interpolation, Bezier, okay, and then go to the speed graph editor, and then I'm going to move the keyframe arms, so it goes from fast to slow, so it looks a bit more Hollywood trailerish. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.